Hello girls and guys, my name is Kennedy and today I'm doing my 13 subscribers special. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I know that all of you guys wanted a slime pet peeves part 2. So I thought that it would be a very great idea to do a slime pet peeves part 2 for my 13 subscribers. So, all of you guys commented on my Musically, because a lot of you guys I know on Musically, and you guys actually know my YouTube, so that's kind of how we met. So, all of you guys commented on my Musically, so here we goes. The first pet peeve is when the person can't control the camera and they never get to the slime. Why isn't this working? I'm trying to do a slime video. Why isn't this working? What's going on? What's going on? Ah! I wouldn't post that if I were you. Okay, that was random. Now, the next pet peeve is, well, when they take forever to start poking the slime. They're just like showing the slime, like, right here. I'm just showing the slime, blah, 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 blah. Hey guys, welcome to my slime vlog. Today I have my slime here. This is my wonderful slime. It's so satisfying. Just look at it. Isn't that so cool? The next pet peeve is when people try to spread non-butter slime. Hey guys, this is my orange slime. I love this slime. It's very cool. And yeah, I'm loving it. Last time I checked, I thought butter slime is supposed to stay stretched out. It's not supposed to clump all the way back up. Now we are doing an ASMR break. Everyone should love this one. And that's all for today, guys. Bye!